Ever wonder how to get better colors out of your Sony camera? Whether you're using a Sony A7 series camera like the A7 III, A7 IV, A7C, or any of the A7R series of cameras like the A7R IV and R5. Might as well throw in the A6000 series as well. This process I'm about to show you will work the same on any of those cameras I've mentioned, plus a few more. So the first thing you want to do is to be prepared at all times, which is why I always keep a gray card in my camera bag. These cards will typically come in two different sizes, one being a full size like a notepad and the other size being comparable to, let's say, a credit card. Both work the same way, but if you think you'll need to use a card from a distance, I'd recommend going with the full size card to make things a lot easier. I'll show you why in just a moment, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so let's get to it. First thing you want to do is to set a custom white balance in your Sony camera. First thing you want to do to set a custom white balance in your Sony camera is you want to go to your menu, go down to your exposure/color, then go down to the number 4, which is where you'll find white balance. Now go over to white balance and press the center button. Now go down to the custom settings to set the white balance. Now go over by pressing on the right side of the scroll wheel. You'll see set highlighted. Press the center button again to enter into the custom white balance mode. You'll see an orange square, and this is important because this will not work right if you do not fill in the entire square. So if the card is further away, make sure you fill up the square with the card, which again is a lot easier with a larger card rather than a small pocket-sized one. Once you have the square filled completely with a white or gray card, go ahead and press the center button again, and this is what will capture the correct white balance for whatever setting you find yourself in, whether you're taking stills or capturing video. Lastly, you want to press the center button one last time, and you'll see that now you have the correct white balance. Now you can do this with the white or the gray side of the card, whichever one works best for the situation that you're in. But I've been in situations where I did not have it on me because my camera bag was not on me. In those situations, if you can find anything that is white, like a wall, even a t-shirt, even a door frame if that's white. All of these have worked for me in different moments when I was out shooting. So don't let that stop you because the process is still the same. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if I gave you any value in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.